had a hailstorm, which is not uncommon in this area. My wife had seen an advertisement for XL Roofing. We called XL and Jeff responded immediately, and we came out, assessed the damage, determined the same thing, that in fact we had damage on 7 of the 8 roofs, and immediately gave us a quote. And I kind of made it clear to Jeff that you're going to be watched, and one, keep the job clean, neat, clean, and complete it in a reasonable period of time. Jeff stayed in touch with me from the beginning. They put the materials on the roof, and they showed up to do the job exactly when he said. We're completed with 7 roofs in basically 3.5 days. I have talked to the owners here in our association. Everybody was very pleased with the work that was done. One of my other board members said to me, are you going to provide them a rating? And I said, what would you give them? He said, she said, on a 1 to 5, I give them a 5. On behalf of the Skyway Rocket Club Townhouse HOA Association, we were very pleased with the work done by XL Roofing. Jeff Bray, the local manager, worked above and beyond our expectations, completed it in a short period of time. The cleanup was amazing, and we would highly recommend them to any other HOA or individual homeowner for a roof repair or replacement.